Hey, I've always been amazed at how you manage to think so fast and talk so smartly in all kinds of situations. Seriously, how do you do it?
Aw, thanks. Well, it's not rocket science, my friend. Anyone can do it with a little practice and some handy tips. So, you want to be a quick thinker and a smooth talker, huh?
Absolutely. It just seems like you always have the right thing to say, whether it's during a debate, a job interview, or even casual conversations.
Well, let me spill the beans on my secrets. First and foremost, it's about staying calm and composed. When you're calm, your brain functions better. Take deep breaths. Even in high-pressure situations, it clears your mind.
Deep breaths, got it. What else?
Active listening is a big one. Pay close attention to what the other person is saying. You'll be surprised how much smoother your responses become when you really understand where they're coming from.
That makes sense. So, I need to work on my listening skills.
Exactly. And while you're at it, practice thinking before you speak. It's okay to take a moment to gather your thoughts. Rushed responses often lead to blunders.
I guess I tend to blurt things out sometimes. Patience is key, I suppose.
Bingo. Another thing is to expand your knowledge base. Read books, articles, and stay updated with current events. The more you know, the more confidently you can speak on various topics.
Reading more, huh? I can definitely do that.
And don't be afraid to ask questions. When you're curious, it shows you're engaged in the conversation. People appreciate that.
I'm sometimes hesitant to ask questions, but I'll give it a shot. Good. Now, here's a golden rule: keep it simple. You don't need to use big words to sound smart. Clear and concise communication is often more impressive. I tend to complicate things. Keeping it simple sounds doable.
Also, practice makes perfect. Engage in debates, discussions, and public speaking if you can. The more you do it, the better you get at it.
Public speaking terrifies me, but I suppose I need to face my fears.
You've got this. Confidence plays a huge role, too. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and use gestures to emphasize your points.
Eye contact always makes me nervous, but I'll work on it.
Now, humor is a powerful tool. A well-timed joke can lighten the mood and make you more relatable.
Humor, huh? I'll try not to overdo it and become a stand-up comedian by accident.
Balance is key. Try to understand the emotions and perspectives of others. It helps you respond more thoughtfully.
Empathy, got it. So, by following these tips, I can become a quick thinker and a smooth talker like you?
Absolutely. Remember, it's a journey, not an overnight transformation. Be patient with yourself, and keep honing these skills.
Thanks for the valuable advice. I'll definitely work on these things. It's amazing how you've mastered them.
Trust me, I wasn't always like this. It took time and effort, but it's worth it. You'll see the difference in your interactions and how you handle various situations.
I'm excited to put these tips into action. Thanks for being such a great friend and sharing your wisdom.
You're welcome.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.